So you're looking at a product or service messaging document on a page. Great decision. Hi, my name is Christopher Melotti from Melotti Content Media. And if you built or designed or launched a product or service and you found if you build it, they will come and they haven't, it is to do with your messaging. And that is what we at Melotti Content Media specialize in, is we sit down with your team and we ask all of the questions. We run all these workshops with you and we sit down and define your product and services core messages that help you sell. So that ranges from heroes and sub-heroes to narratives, product promises, services, benefits, all these kind of things that help you and your team put the messaging together that helps you sell your product or service better. So if you've got a product or service that's not getting the results you think it needs to get, or it's underachieving, or you're not sure how to launch it, then reach out to us at Melotti Content Media. We can put all of the messaging together in a framework for your product or service so that you can sell it better and you can put it together on your website and really make the impact that it deserves.